Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scramlight, look, it's finally arrived guys, okay? It's here, you're watching it, it's happening, you can make it. This is one of the most highly requested flavor by you guys. Like pretty much on a daily basis, I get asked to make this flavor. So it's finally here. I'm going to show you guys how to make a Snickers cupcake. For those of you who don't know what a Snickers bar is, it is basically caramel and nougat and chocolate and peanuts and yum. And let me show you the ingredients so you can make them. Okay guys, so to make these Snickers cupcakes, start off by preheating your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. The ingredients you're going to need are crushed peanuts, softened butter, malt extract, more softened butter, smooth peanut butter, marshmallows, eggs, unsweetened cocoa powder, chocolate shavings, milk, sugar, plain flour, bicarb soda, and some salted caramel sauce, and you can find the recipe for that on my website. Now you can grab the full recipe on my website, thescramline.com, or I'll leave a link in the description down below for you guys to click on. And as usual guys, make sure you subscribe to keep up to date with the latest episodes. We're going to start off by popping all of our dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. And mix those on low speed until everything is well combined. Then you can add your softened butter and mix that on low speed until you reach a fine, crumbly, sand-like texture. While that's mixing, you can add your milk to a large jug along with your eggs and give those a good whisk. Add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients in a slow and steady stream until it's all in there. Then you can stop your mixer, scrape down the bowl, and mix for a final 20 seconds. We're going to scoop these into our cupcake liners and bake them for 20 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Then you can pop them on a cooling rack to cool down completely before you frost them. While your cupcakes are baking and cooling, we're going to prepare our nougat cream filling. So to do this, pop your marshmallows into a large microwave safe bowl, pop them in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds or until they're melted. We're going to give these a quick whisk to help them mix together. Then you can add your malt syrup and your softened butter and give those a good mix. Now the mixture will split, but just keep mixing and it'll all come together. Set that aside while you prepare your buttercream frosting by adding the peanut butter in there. Now I like my peanut butter frosting very peanut buttery, so I've added a lot in there. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Our cupcakes have baked and cooled down. I'm going to core the center and fill it up with that delicious nougat cream. I'm using a round tip to frost these cupcakes in a swirl. To finish them off, drizzle a generous amount of salted caramel sauce over the top before you sprinkle them with some crushed peanuts and chocolate shavings. And that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so those were my Snickers cupcakes. You can finally go out and make them. A recipe is going to be on my website, thescramline.com, or I'll leave a link in the description down below for you guys to follow. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button is down there now. My last video is over there for you guys to watch, so click on that for more deliciousness. Thanks for watching as usual guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scramline.